Welcome to New Orleans Way of Life. Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining me today. This is the 100 beaded bracelet challenge, and this is number 20. Today we have a beautiful swirl black and green lampwork bead from Dollar Bead Store. And we have black agate beads from Golden Age Beads, and green crackle beads from Dollar Bead Store, and aventurine chip beads from Amazon. So let's get started here. It's springtime, so we're bringing out the spring colors here with the green. Everything's turning green. We'll have to see if we can take you to the botanical gardens here out at City Park. They should be coming into bloom soon. And of course, we're going to have the orchid show coming up the first weekend in June. So we'll definitely be there. Oh my goodness, I can't. There we go. We had quite the torrential rainstorm last night. I didn't hear about any tornadoes, but we did get the rainstorm. And boy, it came down hard. But you know, when you have rain, you end up with beautiful green plants and beautiful flowers. And then you have the butterflies and other insects that come out and just create even more beautiful sights. I have to make a trip down to Michael's this weekend, this Sunday, so that I can pick up some more storage containers and some other items. Some fabric and things like that. Got some projects to do, and I need more storage for my beads. Seems like I just keep on accumulating and accumulating. Can't wait for the Gem and Bead show in April here. It'll be like 3 weekends from now soon. Can't wait to see what they have for sale and display there. And what I can buy to make my jewelry with. They hold those shows 4 times a year here. Unfortunately, the one in January didn't happen because of damage to the Pontchartrain Community Center, where the show is held at, was still damaged. They hadn't finished repairs to it from Hurricane Ida. So it looks like they've finished repairs and the show is going to happen here in April. So that'll be really nice. I love gem shows. Alright. So there we go. Okay. Get this one knotted up. we have another beautiful spring bracelet. Thank you for joining me today for the 100 beaded bracelet challenge, number 20. Stay safe and stay healthy, and stay tuned for Lane. Thank you. If you like our videos, hit the like button, and if you want to see future videos, hit the subscribe button. Thank you, and welcome to New Orleans Way of Life.